Hey fellow bakers, it's Paula here from Crumble Crate. Our mini fruit tart baking kit is available for sale and I wanted to give you a sneak peek inside this extraordinary box. First of all, we have the lovely recipe card that has beautiful photos and step-by-step instructions, as well as that QR code with video tutorials, shopping lists, and tips and techniques. We also have some wonderful special tools in this box. The first one being, of course, these lovely mini fluted baking tart pans. These are fantastic for not only a sweet tart, but also try some mini quiches in them. They really work well. Another item that I really adore is this wooden dowel that is used to tamper down the tart into the pastry pan. But also, by the way, if you have the s'mores baking kit or the almond raspberry tart baking kit, this works great in that kit as well. Of course, we have all of our pre-measured dry ingredients, but our specialty ingredient this time is a vanilla bean. And if you've never baked with a vanilla bean, you are going to taste the delicious, extraordinary flavor in the pastry cream by using this instead of vanilla extract. Another fun tool is some dried garbanzo beans. No, you don't bake them in the kit, but you use them as pie weights. This is what I use in my kitchen, and I've given you your own personal packet so that you can bake again and again. So please come bake with us and enjoy this beautiful kit. Happy baking!